Hi everyone, let's do another tutorial on laying track. I have opened the Rocoline library here, it's an HO library, and I've also opened the settings tab. On the tab you'll find the behavior group. In this group, one of the most important settings is auto connect. If it's on, ticked like here, it means that all track will be connected as accurately as possible. So if, for instance, I have this straight piece of track and then grab another one and connect it, well, it will connect if this blue dot appears. So right now, and if I let loose of the left mouse button, it will shift exactly into position. This is all because we've set auto connect, and the distance between the endpoints is less than 1.2 centimeters. 12 millimeters. So if I pick another one, as soon as I'm nearer than 1.2 centimeters, it will, well, show the blue dots, and if I let go, it will auto-connect. If we switch this one off, we'll fall back onto the tolerances, so the distance should be less than 3 millimeters, and the angle between the endpoints should be less than 3 degrees. So if I pick another one here, you'll see if I move it more close to the other endpoint, a blue dot will appear if it's close enough right now. But if I let go, the connection will not be accurate. It will just be put there as we left it. So as you can see, there's a small gap here. Another way to show this is to go to the Show tab and tick Inaccurate connections. You will see a red diamond appear on all the inaccurate connections. So that's an important thing to know, because sometimes you will have to create an inaccurate connection, especially with sectional tracks such as this. It might happen that you will not be able to close all the gaps exactly. I have an example here. In this case, we have tried to create a reverse loop. Well, it looks very nice, but here we are not able to connect it properly. So what we can do is force this track into position. To do so, the quickest way is to, well, select a connection, then use manipulate connection, like here. Now, as you can imagine, if we swing this whole stretch here a little bit clockwise, this connection might be possible. So let's see what happens. In this dialog, first, let's take a look at what we're going to move. Well, we're going to move the track in the west direction, so the left side here. So this bit will now be manipulated. Here we can see that we can turn it a little bit. So we're going to turn it clockwise. Let's see what happens if we click this one and turn it 0.1 degrees clockwise. Well, as you can see, the endpoints here move closer. So let's try again. Up, 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 up. Well, we only have to make the connection about 0.7 degrees incorrect to make this work. So that's nice. Okay. So now we can right-click this endpoint and connect the track. So now we know that this one is inaccurate. Let's see if that shows. If we go here on the Show tab to inaccurate connections, and yes, it does here. It's only a little bit, but it's just enough to make this whole thing work. Of course, here it's not a perfect fit either.